So at this point the fan's stuck on, sort of. We got no power anywhere. So we're going to replace it. Let's see here. Need to unlock these. That. There we go. We're going to replace my Ikea oven that I bought 5 years ago and installed myself. It's now broke. Becky, don't do that. If you're pulling your oven out all by yourself, set yourself up with something so you can just drop it right onto it, a cart, a bench, anything, so that way you don't have to actually carry it out yourself. Double check, make sure that power's off before I go and do anything. Uh-oh. Totally good. So for my replacement, I went ahead and got another Ikea oven. Maybe against my better judgment, I'm not sure, we'll find out. But at least they have the 5-year warranty. With most big box stores, you only get 1 or 2 years. And I thought, I'll take the 5 years and risk it again. And the price was actually better. And I also didn't have to modify my cabinet to get this to fit. If I would have taken and gotten any other big box store, I would have had to modify my cabinet because it wasn't set up for the Ikea system. So that's why I went with this. Brand new. Alright, let's put her in. I need to get this door off. I think you have to lay it completely flat to be able to take these latches and push them in the other direction so I can take them. So part way, and that should be there. We go. Okay. Nice. Alright, and there it is, my new Ikea oven to replace the old one. It's beautiful, looks pretty good. I hope it's great. And if you want to learn how to install a Ikea kitchen that you're seeing that the oven's put in, watch these right here.